Have you ever wondered if you can send paysafe money to another account? It's a question that often pops up when dealing with online transactions, especially when using prepaid cards like paysafe. Today, we're going to dive deep into this topic and answer that burning question once and for all. Understanding paysafe. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of sending money, let's quickly recap what paysafe is. Paysafe is a digital payment method that allows you to make online purchases without using a traditional credit or debit card. It's essentially a prepaid card that you can purchase from various retailers or online. The direct answer. So, can you send paysafe money to another account? The short answer is no, you cannot directly transfer paysafe funds from one account to another. Unlike traditional bank accounts or digital wallets, paysafe is designed to be a one-way payment method. Once you purchase a paysafe card, the funds on it are intended for a specific transaction. Why the restriction? You might be wondering why paysafe has this restriction. The primary reason is security. By preventing direct transfers, paysafe helps to minimize the risk of fraud and unauthorized transactions. It's a measure to protect both the cardholder and the merchant. Indirect methods, exploring alternatives. While you can't send paysafe money directly, there are a few indirect methods you can consider to achieve a similar outcome. Cashing out and repurchasing. You can cash out the remaining balance on your paysafe card at a participating retailer or online. Once you have the cash, you can use it to purchase a new paysafe card and send the funds to the desired recipient. Using a digital wallet. Some digital wallets, like PayPal or Skrill, allow you to load funds using paysafe. Once the funds are in your digital wallet, you can transfer them to another account or use them for online purchases. Peer-to-peer payment apps. Apps like Venmo or Cash App often allow you to transfer funds using a bank account, credit card, or even cash. You could use paysafe to purchase goods or services and then transfer the equivalent amount to the recipient using a peer-to-peer payment app. Security considerations. When using any of these indirect methods, it's crucial to prioritize security. Always choose reputable retailers or online platforms to avoid scams. Additionally, be cautious when sharing personal information or financial details. So, while you can't directly transfer paysafe money to another account, there are alternative methods available to achieve a similar goal. By understanding these options and taking necessary precautions, you can safely and securely send funds to your intended recipient. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.